Look how cute that is. Right there. It is just adorable. You are so cute.
Yes.
You're so cute. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
We're going to do a plated. I know it's been a long time since you've seen a plated.
I'm trying really hard not to cook.
Today we are going to do a enchilada of some kind.
Chicken and pinto bean enchiladas with tomato poblano sauce and Monterey Jack.
Monterey Jack was probably one of the coolest Rescue Rangers ever. So that's what we're making. Let's see what our ingredients are. We have a helper.
Hi, Bobby. Hi.
So let's look at our ingredients.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Is this part of this one?
I don't know. I just
Yes,
grabbed it.
the scallion. One scallion is part of this meal. Tortillas.
Not good tortillas, but tortillas.
One big old pepper.
Yep. I think that's where the poblano and the poblano peppers come from.
I think so. Monterey Jack cheese. I'm such a smarty pants. Some tomato paste that has
Leaked.
leaked.
Yes, it is.
Mexican spice mix.
Okay.
What we call taco seasoning. Garlic.
There
And
should be some garlic.
pinto beans. And sour cream.
Generic pinto beans. Was there barking?
No, I'm just sniffing because
Do you not like barking?
I want more food. I want more food.
You don't get enough camera time. What's our first step?
Preheat oven to 450 degrees. Line a baking sheet with foil.
Sounds like my job.
It does. And pat the chicken dry with a paper towel.
That's
Place
only
on
my
prepared
job.
baking sheet.
Those all sound like my job.
Yeah, all of step one is all you.
Guess I better get busy. Yeah, we don't have any aluminum foil.
Whatever.
That's an inside joke.
So Chris is being a little destructive with pepper, I think. I think we have some over peppered chicken.
Nice over olive oil.
Did ya?
Chicken.
He doesn't know how to follow instructions very well. So there we go. So he patted the chicken dry, put it on foil,
And then greased it up again.
adding a little salt and pepper. And then in the meantime, I was draining beans, which I'm going to scoop out a cup of pinto beans.
So Debbie's taking care of the scallions. Chopping up thin slices. Some of them will get added to a mix. The rest is supposed to be garnished, which we'll throw away.
We don't use the dark greens. We don't like them.
Debbie is chopping up the poblano pepper, and then I'm going to do the garlic. Ooh, that's quite a smell to it. Shame we don't have smell-o-vision. Here's our garlic thing. Put the garlic in here.
Okay.
Close the lid. Put the chicken in the oven. Feel that heat?
Yes, it's called oven.
10 to 12 minutes.
Yep.
Let's split the difference. Debbie's making sauce.
Yeah, that's. Debbie's feeling a little ragged. Heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil. 1, 2. In a medium-high-sided pan over medium-high heat. This is our version of a high-sided pan. When oil is shimmering, we're going to add spice mix, garlic, poblano, whites, and light greens. Oh, good. So basically everything else. I feel like I should be singing, but nobody wants to hear that.
Go ahead. Sing a song.
No.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Used to be Shania Twain when I was younger. Any Shania Twain was my go-to karaoke song.
Man, I Feel Like a Woman.
No. I don't remember which ones.
I think I have a video somewhere of you singing.
You do.
Shania Twain.
Disneyland. Disneyland. I would say, basically, if we go to an amusement park and there's music playing, I will sing over the soundtrack because I can't help myself. It's not anything anybody wants to hear, but it makes me happy. pretty good. That one might be a little bit more. Let's give it 1 more minute. Because then while it sits, it's going to continue to cook anyway. Okay. About 1 more minute.
Back you go, chicken.
Because that's still some pink juice and we don't want pink chicken juice. Poblanos. Scallions. Garlic. Garlic lid.
You drop it in there again?
I didn't. What do you mean again? You need to tell my secrets.
So since you have that spice packet, you're a spice girl?
Yeah, if only. What they call me, exhausted teacher spice? That's me.
Ooh, that already smells good.
It does, doesn't it?
There's the chicken cooked.
The little peppers are in there jumping around. It's kind of fun to watch.
We got some Mexican jumping peppers.
Okay. Paste. And water. Woo. Bring to a boil.
You're there.
Simmer until thick. I like how it says increase to high and then bring to a boil. It boiled as soon as it hit the pan. Look at that sauce. And then reduce to medium. 2 to 4 more minutes. And then we're going to add sour cream, salt, and pepper. Remove from heat. Does it look like it thickened?
Oh yeah.
Sour cream.
Chicken shredded. Now let's add it to the beans. Right? I'm adding it to the beans?
Mm-hmm.
So if I'm not, it's too late now.
You are.
Mix it.
Sorry. Add, shredded chicken, beans, and then half a cup of the sauce. Stir to combine. Here's your half a cup of sauce. Stir to combine. I'm gonna scrape that off the edge. There we go. So don't waste any. That looks pretty tasty. Add a half a cup of filling to the center of each tortilla. Roll into a cylinder, place seam side down, repeat to form 6 enchiladas.
Tortilla.
Mm-hmm. A half a cup of filling. That's a lot of filling. You're gonna need 6 enchiladas, so don't probably just a little more than that, because.
Like that?
Yeah, even that. I don't know how to get that rolled up. Right there. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna chop it into bits and eat it anyway.
just might be the last good man in DC. You, Fix. Now I am. Thank you. I cannot do this alone. Trust you.
Wait a minute. What's the United States Secretary of Defense doing with $250 million in a secret account?
And if it won't fit there, then we'll squish them together. Hey, it works. That is one full pan. Yeah, scatter remaining filling around enchiladas, spoon over remaining sauce, and top with cheese. It says bubble until cheese is bubbling 8 to 10 minutes. Use downtime to set the table. Oh yeah.
Looks bubbly.
There's some bubbling cheese. Woo!
Bubbly.
Dinner.
You need some plates because it's plated, right? Let's see if these are better than the enchiladas I make.
Never, baby. Never.
You can lie to me a little bit.
Chris makes excellent enchiladas. And by the way, in case y'all missed it, I discovered after we put all the enchiladas in that we were supposed to put olive oil in the pan. So these bad boys are stuck to the foil.
Really?
Oh no, they're coming up now. Just, I think it was the cheese. I don't know how to get them out though.
It'll work.
Sure.
Oh, wow, that cheese did go up, didn't it?
Yep. Actually, they're coming off the pan pretty nicely. I confess my cooking weaknesses for no reason. Okay, there's one.
Look at that. That looks pretty
They
good.
do look pretty tasty. I'm just going to start with 2.
Okay.
And this little extra piece of chicken.
Let's dig into this.
Let's. We're going to get forks.
You like? Mm-hmm. Describe the flavor. Is it hot? Is it spicy?
Not really.
Okay.
It's not really spicy. There's a little bit of pepper.
Tomatoey?
A little tomatoey.
Okay.
It's good. I mean, it's got a little, you can tell the taco seasoning because it's got a little kick, but not excessive.
Whose are better?
I'm not going to answer that question. His turn.
Yeah, not really that much kick. They're better than mine. So, yeah.
Well, we made the sauce. I think that's the difference. You usually use a canned sauce.
And I use refried beans. So,
Yeah.
that's much better. And we don't have the poblano.
He can't say poblano.
Those peppers.
Poblano.
Very good plated. Hope you enjoyed it. Try these at home.
They're easy.
If this is your first video of us, subscribe, like.
Please.
So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And now for something completely different.
I just realized I'm chopping your head off. All of a sudden I was channeling my favorite aunt.
You only have...
Well, I have great aunts and stuff. But yes, I love her. Hi, Annelle. How's it doing?